Hey everybody, it is Brian from Flower Street Farm. I want to tell you what I'm working on today. Getting some queens tomorrow, so making splits and trying some stuff out. I just broke down my blue cube into one story, took out the queen, and put her in this colony that had a drone layer. The queen was a late summer mated queen, and she's a dud, so I killed her. She's in my jar actually, right here. She joined the club, and they're going to go to a sharing night at my school Thursday. There's a young lady who's learning about bees, and I'm going to help her out by giving her some samples for her presentation. Anyway, my point is this: taking a laying mated queen out of one colony and putting it in another, a laying queen, not a mated queen that hasn't been laying, but a laying queen. You can tell they are digging her. She's letting them dig her, and we're gonna see how this goes. So that blue cube will get some new queens. I'm getting 30 from Jose in California. A buddy of mine are going in on 100. He's getting 70 and I'm getting 30. So I gotta make space for some queens. And then again, last time I went into this colony, I could see that it was a drone layer. So no more, all gone. And now they're digging her. So there you go, a little bit of learning on a Sunday afternoon. This is Brian with Flower Street Farm. Thanks for watching.